MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
Pickup trucks offer a big ride, but some protect their passengers better than others. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tested 11 small and large pickups for the passenger side small overlap front test at 40 miles per hour. This simulates when the front corner of the truck hits another vehicle or a stationary object, like a tree or utility pole. 3 large crew cab pickups, the 2019 Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Nissan Titan, earned good overall ratings. But the Institute's top safety pick award goes to the Honda Ridgeline. While it only earned acceptable passenger side crash test ratings, it stood out for good headlight ratings and superior rated front crash prevention. Researchers point out most pickups earn a good rating in the driver's side test. The IIHS is also keeping an eye on the people outside of vehicles. 11 small utilities were ranked on their ability to automatically avoid or reduce the severity of a crash with pedestrian dummies. The Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, Toyota RAV4, and Volvo XC40 earn a superior rating. In 2017, almost 6,000 pedestrians died in crashes in the U.S. The popularity of utilities is putting pressure on sedans, and it's already taken its final toll on one of the best-known nameplates in the industry. The last Ford Taurus has rolled off the assembly line in Chicago. When it was first introduced in 1985, it represented a shift from boxy sedan styling. Ford discontinued the car in 2006, but the Taurus name returned in 2008 on the transformed Ford 500. Ford made more than 8 million cars with the Taurus name. The new Ford Explorer and Lincoln Aviator will be assembled at that plant. And that's it for this week's Motor News.